for me?
What are we going to do for you?
I smell food. What's going on in here?
Hi, Uncle Louie. You have to. You're gonna go over that way.
So maybe we can use. I use a plate. Sorry, Uncle. Just a minute. There you go.
Where you going, Uncle Louie? Oops, sorry. Wrong switch. It's getting dark in here. I'm following you, Uncle Louie. You're not going to the bathroom, are you? Are you going to go play World of Warcraft? Oh, be quiet. Okay.
Uncle Louie doesn't play World of Warcraft.
Okay, if I left my uncle's suit. Wow. Yeah, I think that.
Other than scrape the lenses and.
Although it's kind of see, like it seems like the wall is like right on my leg.
You go get your eyes checked.
Okay, go around. There you go.